All right, so I gotta change the clutch sensor, which is this one. Not this one. This one is attached to the clutch, but this one only sends a signal for this one to activate basically and send the power signal to the starter so that it will start. So to take that off, one of the things I noticed is this Carter pin right here. And then when I followed it, I see the little tube or whatever you want to call it that goes straight through the firewall. So I guess this is for the clutch. So when you push it and pull it, well, I guess that is from me taking the screws out. So what I will do is take that Carter pin off and take this off it so that this could come right off. I took both of them screws off already on the sides, that one and this one. And this one's loosened up. I didn't take it off yet because I'm thinking about taking that Carter pin off. Now let me see on the other side real quick. What loosened up? All right, so that's what loosened up. Okay, so yes, I'm gonna take the car. This is the clutch pump, I think. So I got new Carter pins, so I will put a new Carter pin in there. But if I could take these out without breaking them, I guess right now. So I will come back once this is all out. All right, so after some struggle, I took it off. They put it through the back up. Please do yourself a favor, put it from top down and then spread the little legs. Why? Because in the future you might want to do this again. So you want to make it easy for yourself to be able to come in here with a screwdriver, put it through the hole and pop it out. You don't want to, there's no room here to, I'm just saying, make things easier for yourself. I don't know about anybody else, but if it's going to be like a one-time deal and you know you're not going to do this again, then go ahead. Put it on however you want. All right. So that is off. I think. I'm gonna grease this up too before I put it back. Maybe send it down a little bit. It's looking crazy. All right. So as you can see, this is off. Now, I already loosened this screw up, as I said. And you see this whole thing is coming down. What's going on here? Okay. So, now we get to look at this clutch assembly. So this is the one that we knew of. So if I look at it through the inside, you can see shit through there. And here, it looks like a little screw in there. I don't know if you can see it that well. Can't really see it that well, but like a little screw. But I think if I just loosen this up, it should come off. I don't know. We're about to find out. So it's 17. I already loosened it up. So you loosen it up and you can just turn it. That's it. it off. That's the one I'm hooking up, which you guys already know. And there's the one that I already sold, right? So when you come in here, as you guys see, I've been upgrading and changing a few things. The clutch is here, and the sound that I have to take off is back there. So to take all this off is gonna be a pain. I don't think I could take it off this one as I did the other one. But since it's 17 and I know it comes off easily, what I'm gonna do is right here, boop, I'm gonna try to get the 17 in there and try to loosening that up. So I'm gonna try to get 17 in there somehow and make that happen. I will attempt that, and I'll let you guys know how it went. Alright, so I was able to, if you see it back there, I was actually able to get 17 in here, right? And it gave me enough space right here to push it up. Well, right now I'm trying to tighten it up, but to loosen it up, it just made it. Now, you see it's there, but it keeps touching. So, I'm just turning it towards me as hard as I can. And it should be good. I mean, I could try it again, but it's a little hard to get in there. See, look. It's just enough space to loosen it up and to tighten it. That's it. What I did do was I took the screw up here from the, I'm thinking is the fuel pump relay. So I just got that out the way just so that I could unplug and plug these. So sometimes if your clutch don't work, this may have came loose and pushed out a little bit. So when you press the clutch, it's not doing the full contact in the back. So check all that before you start trying to take all the shit apart, because it's definitely a pain. So I will back for you guys. Try to get this back in here. Set this one goes on top of this one. Set. Then the fuel pump relay goes up there. And this screw right here, you can see it. The clutch is not letting me angle this right. Up there. Back here. It goes in here. It goes just like that. Make sure you guys aren't pinching anything.